Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on Venn diagram. Again, sent to me or suggested to me by a subscriber, and I'm sure this is either Edexcel or Cambridge. And it says that on the Venn diagrams below, shade the regions indicated, and I got A intersection B intersection C, and A union B intersection C prime, and A union B intersection C prime. Now note the similarity between these two there. Okay. Now section B of B says set P and Q are such that P has got for I got equation x squared plus 2x equal to 0. I want the solution in x. Similarly for Q, x into x squared plus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So we want the x values to solve this equation there. And your x values has got to be real numbers and not imaginary. Or it's got to be real numbers only. So it says find NP and then find NQ. Right. And for the Venn diagrams, I've got to find A intersection B intersection C. So I'm going to start with that one first, A intersection B, and that gives me this bit here. So all that will be A intersection B there. Okay. So now I want to find, if you like, this bit here, I can call that bit, or call it set Y, if you like. Call that set Y. Now I want to find set Y intersection C. And what's common to both will be this little bit there. Or I've done this bit here. What's common to both is this little bit there. So in effect, the answer required will be to shade in this little bit there. So that should be our answer, and that's what we got there. So that's our answer. And for second Venn diagram, we have this one here. We want to find A union B intersection C prime. So again, we start with what's the bracket first? A union B. So A union B is going to be all of that, as you will expect. So A union B is this one here. And now we want to find A union B intersection C prime. So we do not want anything to do with C whatsoever. So all that have got to disappear. All of that will disappear. So we now end up with this bit here. So that now is A union B intersection C prime. Now for the third one, we got this one here, and it says A union B intersection C prime. Right. So firstly, we want to start again with the brackets. So we want B intersection C prime. So all of that without the C, all of the B without the C. So we end up with that bit. So that is B intersection C prime. Now we want to find A union B intersection C prime. We know B intersection C prime. We now want to combine all that with all of A, all of that. Just ignoring the C for now. So our answer would then be this one here. So that now is A union B intersection C prime. Now you can move the brackets, but you don't have to do that. I mean, that's a waste of time, really. So that's the answer is this one here. Now compare these two. Now this is A union B intersection C prime, and that is A union B intersection C prime. The difference being that you do the brackets first. The difference is a little bit of C there. So note the difference between these two here. In this one, you start with A union B first. start with that one first. And this one, you start with B intersection C prime first. Okay. Now, moving on to part B. Says P and Q are such that P has got x values that solve the equation x squared plus 2x equal to 0. Same for set Q. And your x values have got to be in real numbers. So x has got to be a real number. So we want to find the number of x's that can help us solve the equation x squared plus 2x, and number of x's that help us, the number of x's, the values of x's in x squared plus 2x plus 7, if any. Now, for the first one, I can factorize x squared plus 2x to give me x into x plus 2. Now, that gives me a solution that has x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 2. So x, there are two x values there. So NP would then be 2. Now, for this one, I couldn't factorize this immediately. So what I do is to do a test. B squared minus 4AC test. And my value is less than 0 there, which implies that there is no real number solution. So NQ would then be 0. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye now. Bye-bye.